Where are my curls? Where are my curls? They better come back, I swear. This video is not sponsored. Welcome back, my beautiful curl friends. I have a very exciting video for you today. I will be reviewing the Deep Sea Repair for you. I've been reviewing all of the products in the Miracle Workers DevaCurl kit, so if you want to see those, you can head over here. Now, I debated whether or not I was even going to do this video because I'm a little nervous to try the Deep Sea Repair. I'm afraid it might be intense, but I love you guys, and I know you're curious, and I'm kind of curious to try it, so we're gonna try it today. But we're going to be doing it a little bit different than I did in the Melt into Moisture video. I will not be doing half my head with the Deep Sea Repair and the other half with just my regular conditioner. I'm going to do my entire head because I'm pretty sure that this is going to make a significant difference. So what we're going to do is we're just going to compare the footage from the Melt into Moisture that had half of my head without anything to what my hair looks like today. That way we can see the difference without me having to look like a weirdo, because I have to take pictures later today and I want to look nice. So, my whole head. With that, let's get started. Let's get it started in here. I just finished cleansing my hair with the DevaCurl Nopu, my usual cleanser. And the moment we've all been waiting for, we shall be using the Deep Sea Repair. I am going to be setting a timer for 20 minutes from the moment I put the Deep Sea Repair in my hair, just to make sure that we don't go over 20 minutes, because I'm scared of what will happen if we go over. Everyone says, don't go over 20 minutes. Like, I don't know what happens past 20 minutes, but I don't want to find out today, so we're going to set a timer. And I have some special tools with me because deep conditioning is important, and you have to make sure you have the best. So I have my plastic bag that I'm gonna wrap my head with, and I have a towel. This is actually the first time I'll be deep conditioning my hair in 4 years. It's always been so long since I've done anything because, as you guys know, some of you know, I didn't use hair products in my hair for 3 years. If you wanna know more about that, you can head over there. Oh wow, it smells like a lady, like a grown-up lady. That makes sense, like a woman? Oh. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how I feel about the scent. It's like, it smells good until I rub it in my hands. That happened last time with the Melt into Moisture. It had like a weird... Anyway, so it feels really creamy. Feels nice. Usually people would section it off, but I feel like I don't have a ton of hair. So I probably can just do 2 chunks like that and just rub it in everywhere. So I'm actually, as soon as I'm finished here, I'm just going to wash my hair again because I really want to make sure that I get all of this out because, like I said, I'm a little nervous about what will happen if I leave it in too long or if there's like any leftover remnants. So it's, in terms of detangling, it's pretty good. It's really creamy, really slippery. And the smell is better now. You know what? We're just gonna go crazy with this. I'm gonna use even more because why not? We're doing both sides today. Go big or go home. So a lot of you said that the Deep Sea Repair was actually your favorite. So I'm really excited to see what this looks like when it's all done. And that's the reason why I left it for last. It could be the most significant because I'm not sure. I feel like I might be a little bit protein sensitive, but I'm not really sure. It's just a theory that I'm running with. We're gonna be thorough today. I feel like a MySpace kid. It's crazy. My bangs get so short when they're dry, but they're actually pretty long. It's probably time to cut them again soon. Okay, so I'm wasting time. It's time to wrap my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap it up. We're all done. We're gonna put it in the plastic bag. And we have the plastic bag. Life hacks with Amanda. You're supposed to add heat, and apparently it works a little bit better, but if you use a plastic bag, apparently your natural body heat is sufficient. So I don't have any cool gadgets and steamers and stuff, so we're gonna use a plastic bag and a towel. This is kind of small. I need it to be longer. I have a big head. I need a hair clip. You know what we're gonna do? Where's my scrunchie? Where is my scrunchie? No. Scrunchie! Oh, it fell on the ground. Okay. This scrunchie is the greatest scrunchie that I've ever had in my entire life. I don't even have to refresh my hair as much or like as often. It's a great scrunchie. Okay, 11 minutes. Boom. Thoughts so far. Smell. I like it. I didn't like it at first, but I like it now. Detangling was a breeze. It was super awesome. And it was really nice and rich. Like it had a really nice thick consistency. Like I feel like it's gonna do something. I'm excited. I have high hopes. Have you guys tried the Deep Sea Repair? Let me know in the comments below. What did you think of it? And what kind of curls do you have? Do you have loose curls, tight curls, medium curls? Apparently anyone can use this. I feel like even straight hair people could use this and I like it. Oh, if you do have straight hair and use this, I'm really interested. How did you like it? All right, guys. This is my last DevaCurl video that I will be doing on the kit. And like I said in my previous videos, I want to try something new because I don't know about you guys that use DevaCurl. I love it, but I've been getting some mad buildup, especially since I started using the Decadence. Like I love the Decadence. You just beautiful, but you leave so much buildup in my hair. And like, I want to love you, but you're giving me a lot of buildup and it's kind of gross because it looks like dandruff and it gets itchy and I don't like that. So I need to get that out of my hair. I might take a little bit of a break from DevaCurl at some point. We shall see. I've had some mixed comments about what I should do to clarify. Some of you guys think I should go like the natural route and some of you think that I should use sulfates. Like the sulfates, I definitely think will take out the buildup for sure. The natural route, it might work, but it might not. I'm not really sure. Okay, oh my goodness, it's 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna hop in the shower and I'm gonna wash this out. Let's just take a look and see what it looks like. It's funny, it's starting to dry a little bit in the plastic bag. So that is what it looks like. My hair looks really stretched out. I'm a little scared. Where are my curls, guys? Where are my curls? They better come back, I swear. DevaCurl. If you make me lose my curls, I'm coming for you. I'm just kidding. So yeah, it looks like this. It looks really stretched out. It actually kind of looks like my mom's hair, which is interesting, which her curls are a lot looser than mine. We'll see what it looks like when I wash it out. Hopefully the things spring back. So we'll see. Let's go wash this out and see what happens, guys. We are all finished washing out all of the Deep Sea Repair. And as I was washing it out, it was super smooth and my hair feels really soft and really nice. It still looks kind of stretched, which I'm kind of scared and concerned about, but maybe that'll just go away as it dries. There's like this weird frizzy patch. Like I don't know what's going on with this. That wasn't there before, I don't think. Hopefully that goes away too. But other than that, I think it was pretty nice. It was a really easy detangling process. And usually detangling is really hard because you guys know me. I go a long time in between washes and my hair gets really tangled. It's just what happens. So really happy with the detangling. Still smells pretty delicious. And it's hard to say what's gonna happen. So I'm just going to finger coil as I usually would, and we're going to apply my usual styling cream. What I would usually use. So we're just going to do my curly hair routine exactly as usual so we can see if the Deep Sea Repair made a difference. So I don't use very much styling cream, as I always say, because I like it light and fluffy. And if I put too much product in, my hair looks flat and sad and I can't get volume. And if I can't get volume, then what is the point? That was a bit much, Amanda. So we're just gonna rub it together in my hands. I love the styling cream. And I just focus on the ends. And I put a little bit up here. Very, very lightly, because like I said, if I put too much, it gets a little weird. It gets a little flat. And that makes me sad. So yummy smelling. I feel like a botanical garden. Hopefully the frizzy patch can be defeated with the styling cream. I don't know if that's related to the Deep Sea Repair. It could be, it may not be, I'm not really sure. Either way, I hope that goes away when it's dried. So it is all in. Time to finger coil. If you would like to know more about finger coiling and how I do it, you can head over here. So surprised at how stretched my hair looks. Like I know that it's wet, but it usually has like some bounce and some curl and some something when it's wet. But like my bangs look like really long. They look really, really long. And what is this? What is this little hair here? You don't belong here. Get out of there. Get out of there. Go hang back with your brothers. Good. This was what I was afraid of, but we shall see what it looks like. Maybe the finger coiling will help to give my hair back its bounce. I'm on the edge of my seat. I'm nervous. Okay, let's go finger coil, and I'll see you in a bit. We are all done finger coiling, and finger coiling was pretty much business as usual, but my hair definitely looks different. As you can see, my bangs look a lot more stretched out than usual. Everything looks a little bit more stretched. It's not as curly and as big as it would usually look at this point. I'm a little nervous, guys. I'm hoping that as it dries, it kind of bounces back, but as of now, it definitely looks different. It looks super dark. Like, it looks really, really, really dark, like almost black, at least in the viewfinder, so that's kind of interesting. It looks really weighed down, but it feels light. It's very unusual, because usually when my curls would be this stretched out, it would feel heavy, but like it feels light, but it looks stretched. So I'm really interested to see if it changes as I dry. We are all dried, and I was skeptical, but now that I've seen it dried and I felt the softness, I'm in love. I was really worried, guys. I thought that when it dried, it was gonna dry all flat and stretched out, and like it is a little bit flatter than usual, but it just feels so nice and looks so hydrated and healthy and shiny that I'm okay with a little bit of flatness just this one time. And it feels so silky, soft, and light and fluffy. Like it looks a little bit flatter. Like I will say that. I'm not loving the flatness, but I'm loving the softness. So Deep Sea Repair, you had me scared. I thought that you were going to do something bad to my hair, but I like it. I definitely notice an effect. I think I like it more than the Melt Into Moisture. It definitely did something, but it is a lot flatter than what I would usually like for my hair. You know, I like big and fluffy. So this is a lot more moisturized and shiny. But I like it. It's pretty. It's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that curl. That's such a happy little curl. Oh, you're so happy. It's a good look. I think this will work really well for the photos that I have to take because frizz doesn't look so great in photos. It's a lot of work, but I like it. Yeah, so I really enjoyed the Miracle Workers kit. I had a lot of fun trying everything in the kit, and I almost didn't try this one. I was this close not to doing this video because I thought, I don't know if I want to mess with that Deep Sea Repair. It seems a little bit too intense for me, but I did it, and I'm glad that I did because now I know, and now you know that it does something. It does a lot of things. It looks moisturized, it's soft, it's kind of flat, but it looks good. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this look? Should I use it again? Should I throw it in the garbage? What should I do with the Deep Sea Repair? I'm on the fence. Like, I like it for this one time, but I don't know if I want to use it again. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Love you. Mwah. So I'm really excited for this week because I want to start filming some of those what I eat in a days because you guys have been asking for them. So that is my next goal. You're all so excited and I'm excited. And I love food. You love food. Like, I feel like it's a perfect combination. I used to make what I eat in a days just for myself. Like, I know that sounds kind of weird, but in the summertime, when I just came back from Costa Rica, I was really excited to get my diet back on track and like eat really healthy again and really take care of my body. And like, that's the beginning of when my hair started to grow super fast. If you want to know more about that, you can head over there. So I actually started filming myself and filming some of my meals because I wanted to kind of start a food video diary. And I don't know about you guys, but whenever I start a diary, it lasts 2 days, maybe 3 days. And then it's the end and I forget to do it. So that's kind of what happened with those videos. And I feel like everything gets a little bit better. Like, I feel like what I'm eating now is even, I don't know, better than what I was eating back then. I'm always experimenting, always trying to figure it out. And I love that I can share with you my successes and my failures. Oh, so many failures. But you can't get to what you want without some failures. And that's how you learn. If everyone was perfect, like how boring would that be, right? And I feel like with YouTube, every video that I release gets a little bit better. I get a little bit better behind the camera, a little bit less awkward. And yes, I sometimes feel kind of awkward when I'm filming. Like right now, there's nobody home, and it's like my favorite time to film, because sometimes when I have to film when people are home, like half of my brain is thinking about like, oh my God, people can hear me talking to the camera. This is so awkward. Like right now there's like someone outside in my peripheral and they're like watching me film from their car. So that feels like really uncomfortable. And just little stuff like that. And it's really a fun challenge to try and work on these things and get better behind the camera. And by talking to the camera, it actually helps in outside life situations and talking to people in general. Something you may not know about me, I have like quite a bit of social anxiety, and talking to this camera kind of triggers my social anxiety. So I feel like when you're afraid of something, it's really helpful to just like dive in there and do it. Wow, we're getting really deep with this deep conditioning. Like I don't know what it is, but I feel like we're having a one-on-one session. I'm just going to share my thoughts with you because I love you, and you're watching this. You want to know what I'm thinking about. Getting deep with the deep conditioning. Feels nice. Yeah, and I love reading your feedback and your comments, and replying to all of you guys is something that I really enjoy. It is time consuming, but I feel like I learned so much from you. You guys give me so many ideas for videos and things that I can work on, and even both the positive and the negative feedback. I'm putting negative in quotes because it's all good, except for the troll comments. Troll comments aren't really helpful, but genuine constructive feedback is helpful. It helps make my videos better, helps me grow as a person. So I love YouTube. It's just such a great platform to connect and to grow as a person. And for me, somebody who has anxiety, like this has been really good for me. So I love you guys.